Call in.
Call in.
She called in to say she was sick.
She called in to say she was sick.
Call back.
Call back.
I'll call you back in 5 minutes.
I'll call you back in 5 minutes.
Check in.
Check in.
Please check in at reception.
Please check in at reception.
Check out.
Check out.
Check out the new project before lunch.
Check out the new project before lunch.
Hand in.
Hand in.
I handed in my report yesterday.
I handed in my report yesterday.
Hand out.
Hand out.
The teacher handed out the worksheets.
The teacher handed out the worksheets.
Fill in.
Fill in.
Please fill in this application form.
Please fill in this application form.
Fill out.
Fill out.
She filled out her tax documents.
She filled out her tax documents.
Set up.
Set up.
We set up the meeting for tomorrow.
We set up the meeting for tomorrow.
Take over.
Take over.
She will take over the project next week.
She will take over the project next week.
Take on.
Take on.
He took on a new role in the office.
He took on a new role in the office.
Work out.
Work out.
We worked out the budget together.
We worked out the budget together.
Break down.
Break down.
The computer broke down yesterday.
The computer broke down yesterday.
Back up.
Back up.
Don't forget to back up your files.
Don't forget to back up your files.
Carry out.
Carry out.
We carried out the survey last week.
We carried out the survey last week.
Look over.
Look over.
Look over your notes before the meeting.
Look over your notes before the meeting.
Go over.
Go over.
Let's go over the report together.
Let's go over the report together.
Follow up.
Follow up.
I'll follow up with the client tomorrow.
I'll follow up with the client tomorrow.
Sort out.
Sort out.
We need to sort out these issues.
We need to sort out these issues.
Turn in.
Turn in.
Please turn in your homework on time.
Please turn in your homework on time.